What is up, you guys? It is Jay and I am back with another video. So today we are going to be going through my winter wash day routine process. And it's just a little bit of a process, okay? But as you can see, this puff was dusty and crusty and it was time. So I went ahead and split my hair into 4 sections as always, and then spritz it with water so we can begin the pre-poo process. So today we are going in with the Nature's Little Secret Fenugreek Detangling Pre-Poo. If you watched my review on the Nature's Little Secret products, then you already know, I absolutely, I'm not gonna say hated it, but I had a love-hate relationship with this pre-poo because, y'all, it made my hair it's like this weird feeling. I can't really explain it, but it detangles so well. My fingers are just gliding through, and my hair hadn't been combed in 2 weeks, y'all. It was so sad. However, I went back to using it because I kind of figured out that it doesn't really react well to oils and things like that. So yeah, I just started back using it, and I really love it for my daughters, and I like it for me, but it's not the African Pride pre-poo, I will say that. So we made it through an entire half of my head, which didn't take long at all, but we're going to take care of the rest of that now. And yeah, it didn't take long at all. I didn't lose much hair at all. That's it. That's all. I let it sit for about 5 minutes, hopped in the shower, and this is what we're looking like to start off. I was really careful with rinsing out my hair because I wanted to make sure that I got all of the pre-poo out before shampooing, because the pre-poo along with the shampoo that I'm about to use, they don't really work well together, to me at least. I really like the shampoo though, and I really like the pre-poo separately. So I went right in after this with the Nature's Little Secret Cucumber Nourishing Shampoo. So I like this shampoo, y'all, separately from the pre-poo. The only reason I'm using the two together is because I just kind of wanted to finish off my already opened products instead of opening a new moisturizing shampoo. But I do want to make sure that I use a moisturizing shampoo. It's really important to me, especially during the winter, that I use a moisturizing shampoo, y'all, especially with this color on my hair, because my hair will definitely break. The slip on this shampoo is just unmatched, you guys. Unmatched, okay? Can we just appreciate the growth, okay? My hair is growing, color treated and all. It is growing. I just feel like if you take care of your hair, it's gonna take care of you, okay? And I am seeing the results, the fruits of my labors, okay? So after rinsing, I go ahead and deep condition, and today I'm going in with the Soultanicals Afro-Tastic Curl Elastic. if you know, then you know. I absolutely love the Soultanicals Afro-Tastic Curl Elastic. It is just bomb. However, this is my first time ever using it in the shower, so I felt like I had to use so much more of it. That's kind of why I hate like using certain products in the shower, and a lot of times, most times, I go ahead and deep condition and apply my deep conditioner outside of the shower. I do like sink washes most of the time because it's just easier for me. I'm just wetting it a little bit more here because I just felt like I needed more water, but I really didn't because it was just soaking up all my product, y'all. All my products. I used way more than what I would normally use. However, it took no time for my curls to start to pop, like immediately. It felt so good. So I let it sit while I took a shower, and boom, this is what I'm looking like right after that and right before rinsing. It just felt so good, y'all. I love this deep conditioner. It is so moisturizing. It just feels so good going on. It's easy to detangle with because I do detangle at the deep conditioning stage. So that's why I was running my fingers through it so much. Y'all, if you haven't tried it, please try it, okay? Because I love it here. So after rinsing this, I go in with my leave-in conditioner. Today I'm using the Niche Lavish leave-in conditioner. I love this leave-in as well. I love all the Niche products, y'all. Like, they sold me. But we gotta get out as much as we can, and it was coming out slow, so I needed a lot, okay? I use so much product in the shower. I don't feel like it takes this much, like near as much outside of the shower, but applying my leave-ins in the shower is just like, it's a game changer, especially if I'm doing a wash and go afterwards. Game changer. I love it though. My hair feels so moisturized. I'm just adding more water so I can go in with more products, but my hair always feels so bomb after like applying my leave-in in the shower and letting it sit. So after I finish working it through and applying more product and or water wherever necessary, I just go ahead and put a plastic cap over it. I didn't have a cap in here because I forgot, so I grabbed the nearest thing to me, which was a plastic bag. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one.